Today we will be talking about the Zeigarnik effect for motivation. Now, this might be the first time you must have heard this word Zeigarnik effect, but it is used on you on a daily basis with different marketing and entertainment industry experts. Now, how does this work? It basically means that your brain is more interested or motivated to work on tasks which are left unfinished or interrupted. This was discovered by a Russian psychologist, Bluma Zeigarnik. She visited a restaurant and was amazed by the superhuman memory of the waiter who was serving them. And as soon as he completed the order, he used to completely forget about the whole order. Bluma Zeigarnik studied this whole effect in laboratory conditions and discovered this effect. So Zeigarnik effect is used on you, as I said, on daily basis. The Netflix web series that you watch, they are always left on a cliffhanger. If you watch one episode, you will be enticed to watch the entire series because all the episodes are left on a cliffhanger. That's the Zeigarnik effect. There are some half completed titles in the news or on YouTube, and you are forced to open the video and check it out what it is. You have been enticed by the Zeigarnik effect. So how can we use Zeigarnik effect to complete our tasks? If you want to start it any if you always wanted to start any difficult task, just do that particular task for 1 minute. Let the Zeigarnik effect kick in. Leave that task there itself. You will be motivated by your brain to complete that task. If you're a student and always wanted to study a difficult subject, just read one page of that particular chapter. If you have difficulty in solving math problem, just solve the problem till half the point, leave it. Your brain will motivate you to complete that particular problem, math problem. So that's how Zeigarnik effect works. Do try it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Help us reach more people by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.